And I think based on the rules ng House Committee, baka pag may mga infraction pa siya, there is a warning already sa kanya rin doon. So baka dapat to removal from the public office already. I think that's the penalty that should be given given the circumstances, not only the filing namin today, but yung mga previous actions niya. And yung unang suspension pa lang, if I recall it correctly, meron ng warning sa kanya that he should not, he should refrain from doing such things.
Anong particular house rules yung na-violate itong Bardaga?
Not familiar exactly with the provision, but sabi ko nga, dun sa penalty sa kanya nung una, may warning na sa kanya. That if meron pa mga infractions na ganito, it will be dealt severely. And apart from the ethics complaint, we're also contemplating on filing criminal charges against Congressman Persana.
Sa tingin niyo po deserve na niyang